Now the next point, direct and indirect speech. You know it very well, but we will revise it shortly. Okay, direct and indirect speech. What is direct speech or indirect speech? Direct, indirect speech. We may report the words of a speaker in two ways. These two ways are called direct speech and indirect speech. What is direct speech? Direct speech is in quotation. Very good. Direct speech which is given in a quotation or under quotation mark or inverted commas, that is called direct speech. Or you can say we may quote the actual words of speaker is called direct speech. Actual words, when we quote it, it is called direct speech. And indirect speech, then what is the meaning of indirect speech? We may report what the speaker said without quoting his exact words. This is called indirect speech. Okay, we never report his exact word at that time. We called it indirect speech. Getting what is direct speech, indirect speech. Direct speech, actual word is quoted here into inverted commas or quotation is used here, and indirect speech we without quoting what he exactly said we tell is called indirect speech. Getting? Now when we are going to do the direct speech into indirect speech, then there are some changes, or we can say the rules for changing direct speech into indirect. See, changes in time and place. Okay, changes in place and time expression. See, when we are going to do conversion of direct speech into indirect speech, then there are some changes. We have to know these changes. Now see the changes in time and place expression. Now becomes then. Now becomes then. Then ago. Ago becomes before. Then today, that day. Tonight, that night. Tomorrow, the next day. Yesterday, the previous day. Last night, the previous night. Then here become there. Then hence Okay, this become that, these becomes those, thus becomes so. Okay, these are the changes in time and place expressions. Okay, and you know the changes which was done in pronouns too. I becomes he or she, you becomes he or his, him, her, etc. Okay, now see indirect speech of assertive sentence. The first part is, or you can say the first type of direct speech into indirect speech is indirect speech of assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is there. I said him, I may come to your office. How we can change it? Can you tell me the example, or can you tell me the answer of this given sentence? Hello? Okay, here at first we must know the things. Number one is that I is doer of the action, or it is called subject also. Okay, doer of the action. Then said, this is a reporting verb. Said is called I, is a subject, or you can say doer of the object, or you can say the speaker. Okay, I is speaker here. Then said, this word is reporting verb. It is called reporting verb. And these inverted commas means the narration. Okay, and this is called direct speech. And him, this word him is a listener here. Him is a listener here. We must know the speaker, reporting verb, and listener. Rule number one, when we want to change direct speech into indirect speech, at first we have to write the speaker. Who is the speaker? We have to start our answer with the speaker. Here speaker is I, and there is change into reporting verb. Reporting verb said, if we know listener is there, or we can get if speaker is speaking with the listener, then we have to change said into told. I told. Then when we know about the listener, if listener is present there, then we have to take listener after the reporting verb. Okay, I told him. We want to link the sentence, we want to join the sentence. For joining sentence, we must remove the commas, or you can say inverted comma. Okay, at that time, always remember, when we are making indirect speech of assertive sentence, we use linker that here. Okay, we used linker. म्हणजेच काय, इन्व्हर्टेड कॉमा काढून जेव्हा आपल्याला पुढचं वाक्य जोडायचं आहे त्याला आपण लिंकर असं म्हणतो. हे वाक्य जोडताना आपल्याला ज्या शब्दाचा वापर करायचा आहे तो शब्द आहे दॅट. ॲसर्टिव्ह सेंटेन्स, ॲसर्टिव्ह सेंटेन्स मीन्स स्टेटमेंट, साधं सरळ स्टेटमेंट या ठिकाणी आहे. आणि ज्यावेळेला आपण या विधानार्थी वाक्याचं इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच करत असतो त्यावेळेला आपल्याला लिंकर म्हणून जो वर्ड घ्यायचा आहे तो आहे दॅट. आणि आता हे इन्व्हर्टेड कॉमाज काढायचे आहेत. जर त्या ठिकाणी वर्ब आणि सब्जेक्ट यांची अदलाबदल झालेली असेल तर आपल्याला ती रचना तशी करायची असते. ॲसर्टिव्ह सेंटेन्समध्ये गरज पडत नाही कारण रचना जी आहे ती सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब आणि ऑब्जेक्ट अशीच असते. ओके, मग आता इथे काय होणार आहे, फक्त इथे जे चेंजेस होतात प्रोनाऊनमध्ये त्याच्यानंतर शब्दांमध्ये ते आपल्याला फक्त इथे माहिती असणं गरजेचं आहे. आय टोल्ड हिम दॅट, तो म्हटलेला आहे म्हणजे इथे आयचा चेंज होणार नाही आहे कारण स्पीकर तोच आहे. आय टोल्ड हिम दॅट आय, मेचं काय होतं, मे बिकम्स माइट. आय माइट come changes into go. I might go to your become his office and full stop. Getting? I told him that I might go to his office. Getting? Another example. The boy said, I will do the work now. Inverted comma complete. What is the answer? What is the answer? See. Speaker, the boy. Is listener present here? No. Very good. Listener is not present here, so we use said as it is. The boy said, we have to use linker. The boy said that I becomes the boy. We use pronoun for it. The boy. ठीक आहे, मुलगा म्हटलेला आहे म्हणून मुलासाठी आपल्याला इथे काय वापरावं लागणार आहे, प्रनाउन. व्हेरी गुड. ही. द बॉय सेड दॅट ही विल बिकम वुड. पास्ट टेन्स. विल, ही वुड. ही वुड डू द वर्क as it is. Do the work now becomes then. Getting? The boy said that he would do the work then. Good, good, very good. Another example. The farmer says, I am busy. Can you make the indirect speech of this sentence? You can give me the answer. The farmer says, I am busy. Answer? Yeah, the farmer said that he is busy. The farmer told that he is busy. Okay, I will write your answer. The farmer said that he was busy. अजून काय? Another, the farmer told that he was busy. Okay, this is your answer, but always remember and always keep in mind that this answer is wrong. This answer is wrong. Why it is wrong? This is wrong. Because you forget about the reporting verb. There is rule, if the reporting verb is in present tense, then the tense of the given narration was not changed. Okay? Yes. If the reporting verb is in present tense, the tense of the verb of the direct speech is not changed at all. जेव्हा रिपोर्टिंग व्हर्ब, म्हणून मी तुम्हाला ते स्पीकर, लिसनर आणि रिपोर्टिंग व्हर्ब लिहून दिलं होतं. ह्याला रिपोर्टिंग व्हर्ब आपण म्हणतो से, सेड, सेड. बरोबर आहे ना? से, सेड, सेड. V1, V2, V3. सेज हे रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब वर्तमान काळात आहे. ज्यावेळेला रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब वर्तमान काळामध्ये असेल त्यावेळेला दिलेल्या वाक्याचा काळ बदलत नाही. वी कांट चेंज द टेन्स ऑफ द व्हर्ब. व्हर्बचा टेन्स आपण बदलू शकत नाही. दॅट्स वाय द फार्मर says that he is busy. Getting? नियम लक्षात ठेवायचा आहे. रिपोर्टिंग व्हर्ब बघायचा आहे. रिपोर्टिंग व्हर्ब जर वर्तमान काळात असेल तर वाक्याचा काळ बदलत नाही. अदरवाईज आपल्याला प्रेझेंट टेन्सचा पास्ट टेन्स करायचा असतो आणि दिलेलं रिपोर्टिंग व्हर्ब जे आहे ते पास्ट टेन्समध्येच असतं. टोल्ड असेल किंवा सेड असेल, हा पास्ट टेन्स आहे. ओके, गुड.